Welcome! Today, we're going to draw and color a beautiful kite together. Let's begin by grabbing a piece of paper and markers. First, let's draw the kite shape. Start by drawing a diamond in the middle of your paper. Make sure the lines are straight and the corners are sharp. Great job so far! Now, let's add the kite's tail. Draw along. Curved line coming out from the bottom corner of the diamond. You can make the tail as long or short as you like, depending on how high you want your kite to fly. Looking good. Now, let's add some details. Draw a few smaller diamonds or triangles inside the big diamond to decorate your kite. You can also add some lines to show the folds in the kite's fabric. Awesome work! Now it's time to add some color. Choose your favorite colors and let's bring this kite to life. Color the kite in bright, vibrant colors. You can use different colors for the diamond and the tail to make it really stand out against the sky. You're doing amazing! Keep coloring until your kite looks just the way you want it to. You're doing amazing! Keep coloring until your kite looks just the way you want it to. You're doing amazing! Keep coloring until your kite looks just the way you want it to. Thank you for watching, and remember, there's no limit to what you can create. See you in the next video. Happy coloring!